I'm from Ghana and I would like you to read my dialect.
12 seconds later.
Fɛfɛna ɛyɛfɛ na obaa tumirika na waso ne nufum na nyese ebeti ato ifum ni nti.
Hey, what a surprise!
Welcome to the Matter Gags.
Hello lovely viewers, it's your girl Christy, aka Nikki CH, and on today's episode is
Brony Obetimiakai. Yes, can the white speak my dialect?
Do you want to know?
Yes! You agree? Yes!
Do you really want to know?
Yes!
Let's hit the street.
And on today's account proverbs, Fɛfɛna ɛyɛfɛ nti obaa tumirika na waso ne nufum na enye se ebeti atofum inti.
Hi, please what's your name?
My name is Ilof.
Ilof?
Yeah.
Do you have a nickname?
No. Lulu.
Nice name.
Wait a second. Yes, wait a second. Oh, okay. Fɛfɛna ɛyɛfɛ nti obaa tumirika.
Jesus! What did you say?
Tumirika.
Modern, what did you get me say? Hey!
Ana waso ne nufum na ne se ebeti ato efum and net.
Okay, now I got it. Okay, I got it. Okay, I got it. Now I got it. All right, I got it.
Please what's your name?
Jose.
Yelse, do you have a nickname?
Dat is mijn nickname.
Shut up, everybody. Listen.
Fɛfɛ.
Who taught you that?
It's you.
Fɛfɛ.
What?
Continue. No problem.
Fɛfɛ na ɛyɛfɛ nti na obaa tumirika na waso ne nufum na nie ebeti ato efum niti.
You got it, bro.
My name is Romy.
Romy, do you have a nickname?
No.
Oh, okay. And can you try reading my dialect?
Fɛfɛna ɛyɛfɛ nti obaa tumirika na waso ne nufum na ne se ebeti ato efum nit.
Hey, what a surprise! Well done. Clap on for yourself.
Welcome to the Matter Television.
Sarah, do you have a nickname?
No, everyone calls me Sada.
Sarah. Okay. Can you read my dialect?
12 seconds later.
Fɛfɛna ɛyɛfɛ nti obaa tumirika.
What did I hear?
obaa tumirika.
Hey! Nkata toge.
Continue. No problem.
Tumirika na waso ne nufum na ni se ebeti ato efum nti.
Please what's your name? Fɛfɛna. Anyway, do you have a nickname? No, Fɛfɛna. Okay. Can you read my dialect? Yeah, I'll try.
Shut up, everybody. Listen.
Fɛfɛna ɛyɛfɛ nti obaa tumirika na waso ne nufum na ni se ebeti ato efum nti.
Thank you.
We want to say a big thank you to all our subscribers, to our participants, and to everyone watching us. Big ups. Please subscribe and don't forget to hit on the bell to select all options so you will be the first to get notified when we upload our videos. Like, comment, and share.